Start by signing into your account and select Move Money from the navigation bar. Click Bill Pay. From here, you can see upcoming bills and reminders under Unpaid Bills, or view My Billers to see your billers and their details. Select the Activity tab to see any scheduled, processing, or previous payments. To add a new biller, click Add Biller, enter the required information, and click Add. To make a payment, select Pay for the bill you're paying. You can also pay multiple billers. If using online banking, check the box to the left of the biller name. From the mobile app, select Paid for each biller. Next, complete payment details, including the amount, the estimated delivery date, and the account the money is coming from. Click Pay, and then you're done. You can even set up automatic payments to billers, schedule payments up to a year in advance, or set reminders. Now, that's digital banking made easy. Message and data rates may apply. Visit NavyFederal.org for more information.